I don't know, Cuddles. What do you think this is? Oh, Thomas, let's just check it out. Let's see what it's all about. I don't know, Cuddles. This is kind of silly. Where are we? I don't know. I don't know where we are. Brother, come out. Come out and see. Come see what I see. I'm looking. I don't know. There's all sorts of smells. Come on, Cuddles. Come check it out. Hold on, Thomas. I'm going to check it out with you. Thomas, what is up here? Oh, I don't know, Thomas. Thomas, there's a window, Thomas. Look at the window. Wow, I've never seen one like this before. Where are we, Thomas? Oh, no. I don't know, Cuddles. I'm just exploring right now. Oh, I'm up top now. Haha. Look at all the room, Thomas. Look at all the room, Cuddles. Wow. Thomas, what are you doing up there? Oh, maybe I'll go up there. Oh, wow, Thomas, it is so nice up here. I can see the water. Yes, I can.